The Road to Wealth, Insights from Grant Cardone's Success. Grant Cardone is a name that has become synonymous with wealth and success. With a net worth of over $300 million, he is an icon of entrepreneurship and a role model for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom. But his journey to the top was not an easy one, and it was through hard work, determination, and a relentless focus on his goals that he achieved the success he enjoys today. So, what can we learn from Grant Cardone's road to wealth? Here are some insights. Set big goals and never give up. Grant Cardone's success can be attributed in part to his unwavering commitment to his goals. He set his sights high and never gave up, even in the face of adversity. He knew what he wanted, and he was willing to do whatever it takes to achieve it. Focus on creating value. Grant Cardone's success in sales was not just about making money, but also about creating value for his customers. He understood that by solving their problems and making their lives easier, he would be able to build lasting relationships and achieve long-term success. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Grant Cardone has experienced his fair share of failure over the years, but he never let it get him down. Instead, he embraced it as a learning opportunity and used it to become stronger and more resilient. He knows that failure is not a destination, but a stepping stone on the road to success. Surround yourself with positive influences. Grant Cardone understands the importance of surrounding himself with positive influences. He knows that the people he associates with can either lift him up or bring him down, so he chooses his friends and colleagues carefully. He also seeks out mentors and coaches who can help him to stay on track and achieve his goals. Be willing to invest in yourself. Grant Cardone is a firm believer in the value of investing in yourself. He knows that personal development is key to achieving success, so he is always learning, growing, and expanding his knowledge and skills. He also invests in his health and fitness, knowing that a healthy body and mind are essential for sustained success. In conclusion, Grant Cardone's road to wealth is a testament to the power of hard work, determination, and a relentless focus on your goals. By setting big goals, focusing on creating value, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, surrounding yourself with positive influences, and investing in yourself, you too can achieve financial freedom and create the life of your dreams. And with that, we come to the end of today's presentation. I hope you found it insightful and helpful. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they could benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.